Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Borrowell's credit score service. Before I get into the details, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been curious about your credit score? If so, you're not alone. Credit scores are a big deal. They can affect everything from your ability to get a loan to your interest rate. But if you're like me, you might be hesitant to pay for a credit score service. After all, there are so many free options available online. So, is Borrowell's credit score service worth the money? In this video, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'll also provide you with some tips on how to get your credit score for free. What is Borrowell? Borrowell is a Canadian fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including credit score monitoring, debt consolidation, and personal loans. Their credit score service is one of the most popular in Canada. It's free to sign up for, and you can get your credit score instantly. How does Borrowell's credit score service work? Borrowell gets your credit score from Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus in Canada. They then provide you with a detailed report that includes your credit score, a breakdown of your credit report, and tips on how to improve your score. What are the benefits of using Borrowell's credit score service? There are a number of benefits to using Borrowell's credit score service. It's free. You can sign up for Borrowell's credit score service for free. It's easy to use. The Borrowell website is easy to navigate and you can get your credit score in just a few clicks. It provides you with a detailed report. Borrowell's credit score report includes your credit score, a breakdown of your credit report, and tips on how to improve your score. It's accurate. Borrowell gets your credit score from Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus in Canada. It's secure. Borrowell uses SSL encryption to protect your personal information. What are the drawbacks of using Borrowell's credit score service? There are a few drawbacks to using Borrowell's credit score service. You can only get your credit score from Equifax. Borrowell only gets your credit score from Equifax. This means that you won't be able to see your credit score from the other 2 major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. You can't get your credit score report for free. While you can get your credit score for free, you'll need to pay for a credit score report if you want to see a detailed breakdown of your credit report. You can't get your credit score instantly. While you can get your credit score from Borrowell instantly, it can take up to 30 days for your credit report to be updated. Is Borrowell's credit score service worth the money? If you're looking for a free and easy way to get your credit score, then Borrowell's credit score service is a good option. However, if you want to see your credit score from all 3 major credit bureaus or get a detailed credit score report, you'll need to pay for a different service. Tips for getting your credit score for free. There are a number of ways to get your credit score for free. Here are a few tips. Check with your bank or credit union. Many banks and credit unions offer free credit score monitoring to their customers. Use a free credit score website. There are a number of free credit score websites available, such as Credit Karma and Credit Sesame. Sign up for a free trial of a credit score service. Many credit score services offer free trials. Borrowell's credit score service is a free and easy way to get your credit score. It's a good option for people who are looking for a basic overview of their credit health. However, if you want to see your credit score from all 3 major credit bureaus or get a detailed credit score report, you'll need to pay for a different service. I hope this video has helped you decide whether or not Borrowell's credit score service is right for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.